welcome to episode 5 of ThatSmoothiGirl. Today we are going to be looking at a recipe from Simple Superfood Smoothies by Sandy Bruner. Today's recipe is going to be the Raspberry Lemonade Fountain of Youth. I found so many great recipes from this book and I'm really excited to try this one. I'll link the book in the description below. As you may know from previous episodes, Blue Algae has so many health benefits, but if you didn't catch the last episode, I'll add a card on the screen now. For this recipe, we're going to need frozen raspberry, cucumber, fresh lemon, and blue algae. First, we are going to be adding 1.5 cups of frozen raspberries. Next, you'll take your cucumber and cut it into 1-inch pieces. Next, you'll take your lemon, first zest the outside, and then juice the whole lemon. Now pour 1.5 cups of water into the blender. Now it's time for the blue algae. Take half a teaspoon and add it to the blender. Today I'm using the Doublewood Supplements Blue Algae. If you guys want to try it out, feel free to see the description below for the link. Blend until you have a smooth consistency. Depending on your blender, you may have to scrape down the sides to get everything to mix together. Finally, as always, grab your favorite glass, then pour the smoothie and enjoy. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate all the support. If you guys liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. We'll see you soon.